Living on a sailboat is a full-time job and requires constant maintenance, and having a crew that is enthusiastic is helpful. Maya was quite excited to get involved in whatever possible. She joined Gogo in our regular monthly bottom cleaning, scrubbing off the soft marine growth. So Maya's made some really yummy dal for us today with spices from her home, which is in Coorg.
I hope it's yummy. We don't know yet.
I'm sure it's yummy. So there's papad and there's dal, rice and some other stuff like some chilies. Oh my. Looks good, Maya. Looks good. Thank you.
Our standby dinghy captain is going for our first solo. Yeah, she can start it. Yeah, I will do that. Yeah, your key in the hand. Key in the hand. Yes, please. Ready?
A new place, a new home. For a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay.
With our daily jobs completed, we keep the evenings generally to relax and rest. And the best way to do that is head to the nearest beach. We are parked there. We had anchored in the Ko Yao Nai Bay, an island between Phuket and Krabi, which has a beautiful resort and some amazing beaches, flora and fauna. And thanks to Maya, we now have a newfound interest in plants and insects. And we started noticing it a lot more. Are you telling us some more plants?
No, just pointing out the orchids that are growing in these pots here. So far we've seen them on the trees sort of in the wild, but now we can see they've been put here as decoration.
Oh, lovely. And coconuts in that too.
Yeah. Because orchids, these are epiphytes. They grow on trees. They're not the ground orchids which can live in soil. So they need a kind of substrate which resembles either the rock face or the bark that they grow on. So coconut husk or charcoal or brick bats or broken tiles, we use all these as substrates that the roots can cling to and to grow orchids which would normally grow on trees.
Interesting. It's called the tree house villas and they're for guests only. But the beach and the restaurants are all open to cruisers who come. Like this cruiser who's walking down the road.
Yeah. This is where we did your birthday,
Yes.
if you remember.
I do.
Yeah, we came here, we had a nice pizza, they had a wood fired oven they have. So yeah,
Nice.
it's a nice place. It's a very sheltered anchorage, especially in southwest season when the winds are from behind. And this cove was quite nice. It's a good anchorage. There are 4 boats including us today. This anchorage. So we're going to stay here for a day or so, explore this mountain around, and then head towards maybe Chicken Island or something like that. That's
Okay.
it. So we are at a beautiful mooring up north in the Phang Nga Bay. and the girls are going exploring. They're gonna swim to that beach, then walk across to the other side and then come back. Yeah, not much tide. They're carrying a dry bag.
So we're at this island right now, which is near Coorg, a small island. There's a mooring there that we've moored at. Gaurav's on the boat. He's a little worried about the proximity to the islands and the corals, which are around 5 meters away. And we swam here, Maya and Maya's still checking out the corals, I think. So this is it. Oh. Oh, wow. The water isn't too clean, but it was okay. You could see the corals and you could see some fish. Works for us. How was the swim? Nice? Well, let's go now to the other side. So because Maya has grown up in a rainforest in Coorg, she is very, very aware and very, very knowledgeable about a lot of insects and plants. Let's see what all we know, what all we get to know. Everybody leaves and then it's all ours. Let's hope we come back. Nice little bay. Got some decent snorkeling in here. Handstands in the water. Not bad, not bad. Little too choppy, right? Do it again. Good, not bad. That did. At the end of a hot day and after having completed most of the tasks, the part we enjoy the most is swimming or snorkeling in these beautiful turquoise waters. While swimming with these fish, it seems each one of them has a unique personality. Some know that we are carrying bread and come towards us gently. Some seem to be guarding their eggs and swim towards us aggressively to scare us off. But nothing can take away from this amazingly calming feeling that one gets just floating and enjoying this underwater world.
Have my breath of fresh air, my sip of fresh water.
I know it must be tiring, no?
It's been a tiring day in general. We've been
bouncing. We bounced our way here and then. How long did you guys snorkel? Yeah.
None of us got enough sleep.
I got a bit of. I got a nap when you guys were out snorkeling.
We were
like 10 minutes.
Hard.
Then one boat came, then another boat came, and all that. Yeah. So you can eat and sleep for some time and then we can go to the other side of the beach. Yeah. And that's the other side of the beach.
It was our last evening at Anchorage with Maya and her trip was nearly over. We will really miss her and we wish her all the best in all her future endeavors.
Just sailing into the sunrise.